Okay, this is the first Gorilla Tag video. Yeah. So here's my cousin Esme.
Hi.
Just basically got hero. Never mind. So this is the first video. We'll do some basic stuff like go to city, look at stuff, try out stuff, buy stuff, and you know, it's basic stuff. So yeah, it's just go to that. Guys, that's definitely what should I buy? Kinjala. Kinjala.
What should I buy?
Yeah, what should my cousin buy?
Should I buy this?
How much money you got? Oh, it'll be 20. It'll be 20.
Oh wait.
Guys, think about it. She becomes 20. I can technically make my whole army of kboy12.
I have 4,000.
She has 4,000, and this is
I'm gonna
3,200. At least
gonna
I
try it
have just
on.
a couple thousand.
I'm gonna try it on. And then I might buy it.
It's also when it comes to me, you only go like some badges to me. And same color. Well, not same color. Like, same color.
Hi.
I definitely. Actually, like, we can do. Oh, you mean she's the best. Your mouth's still on. I can't see it.
Should I buy it?
Yeah, to be free.
Fine,
So guys, if we got on my kboy12 group, as you know, you have got to buy this jacket. She's gonna buy it. She's a good girl. I thought so. I've got like 1,800. Maybe because it's spent on the stupid ring. You know, purchase.
Hey, have I purchased it or not?
One over here. Yeah, I can purchase it. Okay, so tap your button. I can tap there.
Yeah,
You just took it off. So put that on.
Yeah.
Look, now if it says yes,
I
you can
pressed
buy
that.
it.
There's...
If it goes red, means you haven't got enough.
Wait. Let me check something. I have 4,000 bucks.
You can have enough.
Yeah, it has 2 books. And they're both red. What do I do?
Means you can't have it.
They're both white though. Oh wait, what? You have 1,800. What do you mean? Because it literally says I have 4,000.
That's mine.
No, I have 1,800. So it
No, so do I. But if you have to say that money, so you want to buy it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Stop.
No, so this could be close to the actual word.
Wait. Oh, is this where I can press the key?
Yeah, take this shirt out here. Then push this one. You bought it! It wins!
Wait.
Well, that was strange though. You both have to see my money.
Slow. So what badge do I have to wear?
Any badge you want. Well, actually, each week when a new badge comes out, I buy a new badge. So you're going to have to buy the new crown badge, which costs £0.
Okay, can you show me where it is?
Sure, I'm going to put it on the wall. Yeah, she has it on.
There you go.
But sometimes it doesn't go on.
Yeah.
Crown badge, it's right here. It's right here next to the photo.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Look, I just see through everything.
Now. like and subscribe for more stuff like this.
Yeah. Oh my god, I gotta think.
So, if you guys want to become my club, there's one rule. You have to wear the same jacket as me, same bag as me, but you can be any colour you want. You got that? Same jacket, same badge, but you can be any colour you want.
Okay, let me go and see if I have it.
My colours.
Wait, let me go see if I have it in this one. I don't have
You
to.
don't have to. You just should have it, but it's not really right.
Wait, am I? You're not.
I don't know why people do it.
Let me go to badges. Yeah, I have it.
Yeah.
Now I have the shirt on. Wait, is my shirt off?
No, you should have
Oh yeah, I know.
guys. You should like in this video, we should just discuss of like what should my girls have home in? Because our home is like where it starts off the video, like that background forest map. So the thing is, I need a new home. So here's where I was thinking.
Everything is good.
Because you know what happens there, I hate this bit. Where are you? I'm going to mountains.
I don't know if I'm back.
Really?
It's so good.
Can I just talk? Is it turning? Is it turning? Yeah, I think I'm going to mind. Like, my house will be in mountains.
That's basement, isn't it? I thought this was basement. Look, no. Where are you? Down the mountain.
I'll just do to.
Where
Just
are
meet me at the bottom.
I think I have to.
Yeah, just meet me down there, because I want to go down there with you.
I'm already going.
Oh, never mind, it's still in the DIY.
But I don't have control over.
Yeah, but your life, you have no control. That's such a criticism, because we're at the same time. So turn everything off.
Wait, how do you get snow?
It's hard to pick it up like this.
Oh yeah.
And make people go, you have to be at one point.
Oh, wait. I'm trying to make
Okay, so do it for me.
Wait.
We'll get the fan up.
Where are you?
Got the fan up.
Wait, come down to me because I don't know.
What's that noise? Yo, that's scary. Come on. Like, you know how hard it's playing this game.
You feel my bed.
It's better to you. It's fair. It's so long. It's funny how I glitch too much. So I'll do it to myself. Okay, I need to get to home. No, you get on here. Hey, uphill. Jump. Haha. She landed on ice.
Wait, everything's flashing. I can see through the VR.
Guys, she freaked me out.
No, actually, I am freaked out. Where are you?
I'm literally ready. Yo, what is happening to you?
I don't know. I can't be on this VR. This makes me feel lightheaded.
Yo, chat, what's happening? Guys, we might have end video right now. I don't know what's happening. Let's see, you're right.
Yeah.
Guys, we might have to end the video right now.